This right here is the brand new Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and this is supposed to be the most affordable Nothing phone till date. Now, I know what you're thinking, isn't that the CMF? Well, I know the CMF Phone 2 Pro is a great budget smartphone, but at the end of the day, it's a CMF phone. This, on the other hand, is supposed to be more nothingy. Subscribe for more made-up words. And I know there's a lot of questions. Is this actually a great budget Nothing phone to buy in India? What about the specs? How is it different to the CMF? Does it come with bloatware? And if yes, how much? Time to answer all of your questions. So here's the new Nothing Phone 3A Lite up close and personal, and unlike what the rumors suggested, this looks nothing like the Phone 3A. It's a different design altogether, and yes, this does not have the glyph LEDs. Instead, it has a glyph LED, one singular. So yes, more like a notification LED on the back, and yes, this too has the different patterns when you get a call or a notification. There's also flip to glyph. You can also set it to stay on in case of an essential notification, and you can also use it as a camera timer. Apart from that, this design has got the nothing minimal vibe. You get the transparent kinda design, because there's not a lot of elements going on here. There's this bar which kind of signifies the battery. It also has this pattern when you look closely. You also get the screws, this strip running across on the edges, the iconic nothing red square, which is obviously not an LED, it's a budget phone. So this has a very minimal design all across, and if you ask me, I kind of like it because a lot of these budget phones don't really have the best design. But if you look at it versus the CMF Phone 2 Pro side by side, you will realize that these are very similar phones. I mean, look at the camera module, similar design, although the cameras are different here. Look at the size, look at the thickness. But it's obviously one has the industrial sort of design and one is nothingy. Anyway, another thing which the leaksters and the rumorers, subscribe for more made-up words, did not get right is this back. See, this is actually a glass back, nice, not plastic, and this comes with Panda glass protection. Now, other than that, it's a usual Nothing phone. Plastic frame, the essential key, so you can use it to save things in the essential space. Dual SIM plus micro SD hybrid slot like the CMF, so that's good. It's got the IP54 rating, and the haptics in my brief time with the phone felt very tight, very nothingy again. Now, apart from the design, this has its similarities with the CMF Phone 2 Pro, but there's also differences. I mean, it has the same display as the CMF Phone 2 Pro and the 3 and 3 Pro, and the bezels are thicker and symmetrical, more like the CMF. You also get the same 7300 Pro chipset. The battery is also the same with the charging speed. But one thing to note, this will not come with a charger in the box, so very nothing like, not CMF like. And this also carries forward one thing I really kind of dislike about the CMF Phone 2 Pro, and that is the single bottom firing speaker. But here, one area where it's a bit different to the CMF Phone 2 Pro is the cameras. So you get the 50 megapixel primary, 8 megapixel ultra wide, but instead of the 2x telephoto, you get a 2 megapixel macro here. Yeah, that's kind of sad, but I know, I get it, it's a budget phone, but there's hardly any phone in the budget segment with a telephoto, so that would have been nice. And apart from that, we're yet to test out the cameras, so make sure you're subscribed for that. Now, apart from that, this is running Nothing OS 3.5 based on Android 15. Yeah, Nothing OS 4 and Android 16 would have been a big bonus here, but it is what it is. And as for updates, 3 years of OS updates and 6 years of security patches. But you know what, let's get real. I'm not sure if you know, but Nothing recently announced that their non-flagship phones will now come with pre-installed apps, aka bloatware, along with this new lock screen glimpse feature, which is basically like the glance lock screen with a new name, and you get these recommendations here. Now, honestly, I'm not a big fan of this because the whole Nothing experience USP was that clean and nice experience, but that rant is for another day. Now, coming back to the Phone 3A Lite, yes, this will come with a lock screen glimpse feature, and you can disable it from the settings. You'll be able to disable it during setup. And yes, this comes with pre-installed apps, actually only 2 of them, Facebook and Instagram, both of which can be uninstalled, which is honestly not too bad when you think about it. And yeah, if Nothing can stick to apps like this, it would be fine because that's not exactly bloatware, but considering how Nothing has been going so far, I'm not really sure, so we'll see how it goes in the future. Look, I only went hands-on with the Phone 3A Lite for like 3-4 hours, so there's obviously a lot of things left to try, a lot of things still left to test, but one thing is pretty clear, Nothing made this phone with a very simple thought process, a phone for people who want the Nothing vibe and the Nothing design in the budget segment. I mean, it's got the Nothing design, and I know it's got its similarities to the CMF Phone 2 Pro, except for maybe the missing telephoto. And honestly, all of that is not a bad thing because let's face it, the CMF Phone 2 Pro is mostly a very good value for money phone. So you know what? It all depends on one and only thing, the price. Look, honestly, if you ask me, I'm a little confused about the pricing of this phone because there's obviously the CMF Phone 2 Pro at around 17K, there's the Phone 3 at around 21K, so where will this be priced at? I mean, Nothing is launching this in India soon, and according to Nothing, this will be priced aggressively, so I'm hoping it's good. But can you guess the price, and what is the price you would want for the Nothing Phone 3 Lite? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.